In this video, you will learn how to send and receive messages via Amazon SNS. Before starting this demo, I created an SNS topic called Notify Me and subscribed my email to the same. Let's get started. Open Amazon SNS console. Next, click Topics. Choose the topic you want to publish a message on. Next, click Publish Message. Let's fill this form. For subject, let me specify Test. Next, click Custom Payload for each delivery protocol. Note how you are able to specify custom payload per protocol. Let's go ahead and publish the message. Next, click Publish Message. Once you publish a message, Amazon SNS delivers it to endpoints that subscribe to the SNS topic. Since we just published this message, I should have received it in my mailbox. As you can see, our test was successful. I was able to receive message published on SNS topic. Congratulations! You just learned how SNS topic subscription works. Thanks for watching. Check out AWS certification books, linked in pinned comment, and suggest us topics for videos.